Welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be having a look at the Python math module. So what is the Python math module? The math module provides a range of mathematical functions and constants, and the math module can help with performing complex calculations, numeric analysis and mathematical operations. So we will be having a look at how to use the math module in PyCharm shortly, but before we start using the math module we need to import the module, so we do that with the import math command. And there's many use cases for using the math module, but I've got some examples, which is data analysis, graphics and game development, financial and economic models, and scientific and engineering calculations. So the math module is a module consisting of multiple methods, and we will have a look at a couple of example methods used with the math module. So let's jump into PyCharm and have a live look at using the math module. Python has a math module which will give us more math methods, and the command to do this is import math. To import the module, and we type this all in lowercase. And now if we type math dot, we can see all the functions or the methods inside here. There's quite a lot of them. We've actually just used one of them, which is the power of, down here somewhere, and there's some new ones in particular with 3.11.3, which is the version I'm running. So using the dot operator, we can see all of the methods the math module comes with, and we can see the power of is right at the top of the screen. Double click and then 3 space 3 to the power of 3, and then we could run the file and it would give us the result. If we had printed it to the console, so let's of course print it, and I forgot the parentheses, so let's put the parentheses in and then run it again, and we get 27 because 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Let's try another one. Math dot, let's go for a common one, which is floor or seal. So if we specify a floating point in here, 2.5, and run the file, of course let's remove the first line and print to the console and put it in parentheses. Let's run the file and we get 3, so it's rounded it up. If we specify 4, still get 3, 1, still get 3, it's rounding it up. But if we use floor instead, now it's rounding it down to 2. Let's go with 7. So floor rounds a number down to the nearest integer, and seal rounds the number up to the nearest integer. But of course there are many other math methods as we've seen here, and you can have a look at the official documentation to understand the purpose of each method and what they are used for. So that's a basic overview of the math module.